Welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Realme 11 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change search engine in Chrome. Firstly, you need to open the web browser, then click on the three dots buttons right up corner of your screen and click Settings. And now in Settings you need to scroll down and find your search engine. And here choose Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Ecosia, for example. I don't know what is it, but for example. But what can we do if we wanna set up the other search engine, not the search engine from this list of search engines? So firstly, we just need to open this search engine. For example, ask.fm. It's not good search engine, but for example, it doesn't work. Ask FM search. Oh my gosh, it didn't work. So for example, search engine, other search engine. I just wanna use the other one, for example u.com. So what we need to do, firstly we just need to open this search engine and find something. It's maybe new search engine for programmers or other else. So find here now Settings again, scroll down, find search engine, and here you will see in recently visited new search engine. And now if you wanna select this search engine by default, so click it, go back, and for example find something HardReset.Info channel, for example. And as you can see, it's searching for HardReset.Info in u.com. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.